been in the funk for the past week. Hello? Did y'all miss me? Hello, what it do? Welcome back to another weekend vlog. This vlog is gonna be about me getting out this funk. I've been in the funk for the past week. And usually my funk don't last that long, so I don't know what's going on. But I am determined to get up out of it. I dragged myself out the house and now I'm at the library. I'm gonna finish my vlog from last week and maybe draw, maybe read, whatever. I brought all types of stuff to just keep myself busy in there. I'm gonna stay in there probably like, a couple of hours and then we're gonna see the next move. I got myself a hot caramel craze from Dunkin'. I wasn't gonna buy a coffee out because y'all know I can't really have caffeine, so I'm like, I got my dandelion tea at home. I made it, brought it with me, and it spilled all over my car, so I had to end up stopping anyway. So and another thing that I want to say is show up to your local library, because when people don't show up, they don't get funding. So go at least get a library card. More people who utilize the resources, the more things that they have, and the better it is for the community and the people who actually really need the library. This is your sign to go to your local library. So I just got back from grocery shopping. I got a few things because I'm gonna make corned beef egg rolls tonight, and I'm gonna record that, and we're gonna cook together. There's literally instructions right on the on the bag. Okay. Oh, it says you can make the pizza rolls with this. I don't know if I knew that. Alright, these next two are gonna be beautiful. I'm claiming it. Okay, we got cheese. I better stop playing because it's looking like I don't have as much wrappers as I thought in here. So that's all right. We're gonna make it do. All right, let me look at this packaging. Tell me what it's telling me to do. See what it's telling me to do. All right, so it says fold the bottom corner. It look like they tuck the corner in like that. Like this. And then fold in both sides slightly against filling. Slightly against filling. Okay. And then roll until you still. Oh. Whoa. I hope this commentary is enjoyable because we are figuring this out as we go. Okay, that was a little better, but I don't know why the sides were not in. Okay, that one can be kind of cute. Let me still put a little more water. As you can tell, I'm not really trying to race. Did this before. That's what it's giving. I'm gonna use some cheese, and I'm gonna try to make this my last one. Well, I got to because I don't have any more wraps. I'm probably gonna use one of these messed up ones to, if I do end up with a little bit of scoffed over. Nah, we gonna make this one big. We gonna make it big because wouldn't be me if I didn't test the waters all the time. Okay, folding in, and roll. We gonna get this wet so that it's gonna adhere pretty good. Oh, y'all, that was cute. Okay. Now let's see. Some of these not as cute, but hopefully when they get in that fryer, they gonna do what they need to do. Okay. This one looking a little lifeless. Whatever. This one had a tear in it. I'm gonna just sell that bad boy. So this is my first time trying this Gong tea. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's my first time trying it and my first time trying a Korean corn dog. So I wanted to try that right now on camera while it is fresh. And also try this drink. I got the strawberry yogurt smoothie because I wasn't really feeling like a tea. Like, I don't know, their teas didn't seem that appetizing for $5, so I got the I got a smoothie instead. Okay. It's good, but it's like not at all what I was expecting. Okay, here's the corn dog. Came in a package like this. This is some crazy packaging. I don't even know how to open this. Oh, from the top. Like this. I got cheese in the middle, and then I got sugar and potato on the outside because I see a lot of people doing that. So I wanted to be basic. So, cheers. Cheers. That pour though. Okay. You hear that crunch though? That crunch. I don't know, y'all. Yeah, I feel like something's missing. I feel like something's missing. Maybe if I like had a sauce. I feel like maybe like I should have got sausage or something in the middle to give it a little bit more like oomph, like to take it to that next step. But the concept is good. Like, I can see why people like this. Is this something that I would be like, oh, let me go get a Korean corn dog? I don't think so. And it looked like somebody took a dip in my stuff. Let me smooth it out. But y'all, look at that. Ooh, look at that steam. Let me go ahead and just take a bite for the ride home. I got a lot of green onions in it. A lot of fresh ingredients. Alright, so I think I'm ending the vlog here. Well, I hope you guys are having a good night. And yeah, I will see y'all next vlog.